Hello children, I hope you are all happy and healthy today. Welcome to this special English hour where we will learn a lot of new things and have lots of fun. So are you all ready? Let's go. Now I would request all of you to please stand up and join me in this session song. आप सब प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए और मेरे साथ ये गाना गाइए. Follow my actions and enjoy the music.
Can you all show me how to walk? Yes! Left, right, left. Left, right, left. Come on, let's sing it again. 1, 2, 3, and go! Do you wonder, do you wonder, how do we walk? How do we walk? First left and then right, first left and then right, left, right, left, left, right, left.
Children, I hope you enjoyed singing and dancing with me today. Now, I would like to ask you a few questions. You have to think and answer. What do you see on the screen? Yes, they are different vegetables. There is carrot, tomatoes, onions, and potatoes. Do you eat vegetables every day? क्या आप हर रोज सब्जियां खाते हैं? I eat vegetables every day because I want to stay healthy and fit. Which is your favorite vegetable? आपका सबसे मनपसंद सब्जी कौन सा है? My favorite vegetable is ladyfinger. I love eating ladyfinger. But children, why should we eat vegetables? हमें सब्जियां क्यों खानी चाहिए? We should eat vegetables so that we stay strong, healthy and fit. Green leafy vegetables are very good for our health. हरी सब्जियां हमारे हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है. I hope you were able to answer most of my questions. Now, let us learn some new words today. Our first word is tomatoes. tomatoes, tomatoes. Tomatoes are red in color. There is a tomato garden near my school. Our second word is carrots. 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 Carrots are orange in color. Rabbits love eating carrots. Our third word is green. 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 Trees are green in color. Reena has a green parrot. Our fourth word is vegetables. 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 Reena is selling vegetables. Anu eats vegetables daily. Our last word is crunchy. 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 I love eating crunchy chips. We get crunchy wafers in the market. I hope you remember the new words. Now, let us read an interesting chapter from our textbook, My English Book. Please open page number 16. We will read a chapter called Who Are You? प्लीज अपनी इंग्लिश की टेक्स्ट बुक निकालिए और पेज नंबर 16 खोलिए. You have to point on the word as I read. If you don't have a textbook, please listen to me carefully. आपको आपकी उंगली उन शब्दों पे रखनी है जो मैं पढ़ रही हूं. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो आप ध्यान से सुनिए. Who are you? We will now read this interesting skit. Do you see so many characters here? Yes, we first have a small white rabbit here. Let's see who are the other characters. Hello, I am a fresh green cabbage. Who are you? Do you see this fresh green cabbage? क्या आपको ये पत्ता गोभी दिखाई दे रही है? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat cabbages. Here is our rabbit. ये हमारा खरगोश है और वो पत्ता गोभी खाता है. Ah! Our cabbage runs away. Let's see who the next character is. Hello, I am a juicy, crunchy carrot. Who are you? Can you see the carrot here? क्या आपको ये गाजर दिखाई दे रहा है? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat carrots. Our rabbit eats carrots also. हमारा खरगोश गाजर खाता है. Ah! Our carrot also runs away. Let's see the last character. Hello, I am a big red tomato. Who are you? Do we see the tomato here? आपको ये टमाटर दिख रही है? Yes. I am a smart white rabbit and I eat tomatoes. Our rabbit also eats tomatoes. हमारा खरगोश टमाटर खाता है. Our tomato also runs away. हमारा टमाटर भी भाग जाता है. Let's see who is this. Hello, I am a green leafy vegetable. Who are you? Do we see this green leafy vegetable? आपको ये हरी सब्जी दिखाई दे रही है? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. हमारा खरगोश vegetables भी खाता है. Our green leafy vegetable also runs away. Let's look at this last character. Hello, who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. Who are you? I am a super duper clever fox and I eat smart white rabbits. Our rabbit runs away. हमारा खरगोश अभी एक लोमड़ी के सामने है और लोमड़ी ने कहा कि वो खरगोश को खाता है, तो हमारा खरगोश दौड़ गया. Wasn't it an interesting skit? We saw how our rabbit eats all the vegetables. He eats tomatoes, cabbage, green leafy vegetables and also carrot. But in the end, our clever fox also eats the rabbit. हमने इस नाटक में देखा किस तरीके से हमारा खरगोश सारी सब्जियां खाता है. टमाटर, गाजर, हरी सब्जियां और पत्ता गोभी भी. लेकिन अंत में हमारा चालाक लोमड़ी उसको खाने के लिए भी जाता है, खरगोश को खाने के लिए, लेकिन हमारा खरगोश भाग जाता है. I hope you liked the chapter. Now it's time for an activity. On the screen, you should be able to see a few words. Red, green, crunchy, smart. All these are called describing words. What are describing words? Describing words are such words that tell us more about something. For example, if I say, I am a smart girl, so which means smart is a describing word. यहाँ पे आपको जो शब्द दिखाई दे रहे हैं, वो हमें किसी वस्तु के बारे में और विशेष तरीके से बताते हैं. These are called describing words. Now, can you see a few blanks over here? we have to pick the best describing word that is for that respective word. हमें वो शब्द ढूंढना है जो वो एनिमल या कोई चीज को अच्छे से बताता है. For example, dash tomatoes. What color are tomatoes? Red. That's why we put red tomatoes. Similarly, try and guess all the other answers. Let's see if you were able to guess it right. The first one is dash fox. How is a fox? Yes, a fox is clever. So we will bring clever fox. The second one is dash leafy. How is leafy? Yes, leafy is green leafy. Green leafy are vegetables. The third word is dash rabbit. Did we see in the chapter how was our rabbit? Yes, smart rabbit. And the last word was dash carrot. How is a carrot? Crunchy. Crunchy carrot. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Now, let's look at the next one. Now, I will show you some images on the screen. You have to tell me the name of the vegetable. Can you see this red colored vegetable? Yes, it is a tomato. What is this second vegetable? I'm sure all of us like to eat it. It is a potato. What is this third image? Yes, it is a carrot. Crunchy carrot. What is the fourth image? Yes, it is called cauliflower. And lastly, which is this image? Don't these vegetables make you cry? Yes, it's onion. We were able to learn so many things today. Now you can all sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. Children, what is the first thing you want to know when you've come home from school? I remember I always wanted to know what's there for food. बच्चों, आप जब स्कूल से वापस आते हैं घर, तब आपको क्या जानना होता है? मुझे याद है, मुझे हमेशा ये जानना होता था कि खाने में क्या बना है. Similarly, someone called Sam also is very eager to know what's there for supper. Let's see in this story, what does he get? The name of the story is What's in the Pot? Written by Crystal Warren. What's for supper? Asked Sam. It's a surprise, says Mom, as she puts the big pot on the stove. सैम ने पूछा कि खाने में क्या है? तो उसकी मम्मी ने कहा कि एक सरप्राइज है और उन्होंने एक बड़ी कढ़ाई चूल्हे पे रखी. She added a jug of water in the pot. Sam was worried. Are we having water for the supper? He asked. Wait and see. It's a surprise, said mother. जैसे ही उसकी मम्मी ने पानी डालना शुरू किया, सैम को लगा क्या हम पानी खाने वाले हैं आज? तब उसकी मम्मी ने कहा सब्र रखो और देखो, सरप्राइज है. Can I help? asked Sam. I could stir. सैम ने कहा कि वो मदद कर सकता है कढ़ाई में पानी हिलाने से. You are still a little short, said mother. The pot will fall all over you. But you can help me fetching things. उसकी मम्मी ने कहा कि तुम अभी थोड़े छोटे हो, तो वो कढ़ाई तुम पे गिर सकती है. तुम मुझे कुछ सामान ढूंढ के लाने में मदद कर सकते हो. Can you get some onions for me? This doesn't smell very nice. उसकी मम्मी ने उसको कुछ प्याज लाने कहे और सैम को उसकी खुशबू नहीं पसंद आई. Now I need some tomatoes. No, that is an apple. Tomatoes are also red and round. You will find them in the fridge. उसकी मम्मी ने उसको टमाटर लाने के लिए कहे, लेकिन सैम ने एप्पल लाए. तब उसकी मम्मी ने उसको कहा कि एप्पल्स और टमेटोस दोनों लाल रंग के होते हैं और गोल होते हैं, लेकिन टमाटर उसको फ्रिज में मिल जाएंगे. Can you bring me potatoes? They are round and brown. उसकी मम्मी ने उसको आलू लाने के लिए कहे, जो गोल है और ब्राउन कलर के है. If you are hungry, you can eat the apple while you wait. उसकी मम्मी कहती है कि अगर उसको भूख लगी है तो वो एप्पल खा सकता है और वेट कर सकता है. What about these? No, we don't need biscuits. We can save them for after supper. सैम बिस्किट्स दिखाता है और पूछता है कि क्या ये चाहिए? तब उसकी मम्मी कहती है ये अभी नहीं चाहिए, ये हम खाने के बाद खाएंगे. What's in the pot? सैम सोचता है बर्तन में क्या है. It's a surprise. Wait and see. मम्मी कहती है कि एक सरप्राइज है, सब्र रखो और देखो. What about this? No, this is a watermelon. It's too big for the pot. सैम एक तरबूज लेके आता है. तब उसकी मम्मी कहती है कि ये तो बहुत बड़ा है, ये कढ़ाई में फिट नहीं होगा. See if you can find some spinach. It is also green. उसकी मम्मी उसे पालक ढूंढने के लिए कहती है, जो हरे रंग की होती है. Please get some bread. No, not in the pot. We can keep it on the table. उसकी मम्मी उसको ब्रेड लाने कहती है और कहती है कि ये पॉट में नहीं जाएगा, ये टेबल पे रखना है. Mother carried the pot towards the table and started to dish up. What's in the pot? asked Sam. उसकी मम्मी अब कढ़ाई टेबल की ओर लेके जा रही थी और उन्होंने डिशेस लगाना शुरू कर दिया. अब सैम पूछ के थक गया है कि कढ़ाई में क्या है. सूप, माय फेवरेट. मेरा सबसे मनपसंद सूप बना है. Finally, it was the soup. Did you all like the story? Sam helped his mother in making the supper. He got lots of things for her and he finally enjoyed his soup. हमने देखा किस तरीके से सैम अपनी मम्मी को किचन में मदद करता है अलग अलग चीजें उनके लिए लाता है और फाइनली उसको सूप एंजॉय करने मिलता है. I like this story very much. I hope you liked it. Today, we also read a very interesting chapter. I would request all of you to ask your parents what are their favorite vegetables. आप सब अपने पेरेंट्स से भी पूछना कि उनके मनपसंद कौन सी सब्जियां है. Till then, take care and stay safe. I will see you in the next session. Bye bye.